I have a meeting in few minutes and suddenly my boss asked me to convert this PDF into a flow diagram in just 2 minutes. Seems impossible, right? If I use Microsoft Word, it will take at least an hour. I first tried ChatGPT also, but it did not create an accurate and clear flow diagram as I wanted. That's when I discovered eDrawMax, an AI-powered diagramming tool. And within few seconds, my entire PDF is converted into a perfect flow diagram without any hassle, without any manual work, just a fast and a professional result. Whether a working professional like project manager, data analyst, business analyst, data scientist, consultant, HR executive, marketing professionals, developers, or even a student from any background like engineering, medical, arts, and commerce, many times we need to explain our ideas by using flow diagrams, charts, infographics, etc. But making them really takes a lot of time. That's why in this video, I will share with you eDrawMax, one of the world's best AI tool for creating diagrams in seconds. In my personal life also, I use this tool multiple times for various meetings and it really helped me a lot. eDrawMax is a very simple and easy to use tool with 210 plus types of diagrams, 1500 plus templates and 26,000 plus symbols that will help you design anything you want within just few clicks. Whether you are creating a diagram for your LinkedIn post, Instagram post or for your office presentation, this AI tool will help you in doing all these things in a very easy manner. So before we start this video, please make sure that you will watch this short video till the end because this video will save many precious hours of your life and makes your work in a very easier manner. So let's get started. So let's just go into the Google and search eDrawMax.com. You can find the link of this website in the description box as well as in the comment box. And here we can find the website of eDrawMax. Once we'll open the website, the interface will look like this. So the best thing about the eDrawMax is that it not only just supports the web, but as well as the desktop as well as the mobile versions. So you can also download this for free and it is available for Windows, iOS, Linux and Android. So let's just start using this online. So firstly, here you can see the option for sign in. And let's just click on the option for sign in. Once we'll click on this sign in option, so here you can see there are various methods for signing in or you can register also. Right now I'm using my mail ID for signing in into the eDrawMax. So here you can see we have successfully signed in into this website. Now let's just explore various features over here. So this is the landing page of the website. Here in the left side we can see there are various user interface related options like home page, recent, my documents, and here in the left side we can see there are various types of diagram that is available for us. And here you can see flow chart also. Here we can make our own flow charts, mind map, organization chart, slide, dashboard, project management, and here there are more things that is related, analysis canvas. And when we click on this more option, here we get to know about we can create a chart related to marketing, strategy and planning, network chart, floor plan, electrical engineering, database modeling, and industrial process. So let's explore all these features one by one. So let's suppose my boss has given me a task. The PDF has been provided to me and it is a data science project plan step by step. And it is basically has many deadlines for various steps. So what I need to do is converting this PDF into a proper flow diagram so that it will be a good way for the representation. So what I'll do is I'll go into the website of eDrawMax. So for creating a flow chart, I will go here and click on the flow chart. And here I can see there are various amazing templates for creating the flow chart. Now I'd like to create a blank template. So here I can find that the blank template is already available here. So I'll just simply click on this. So here you can see the new tab is been opening here and the new file is going to create here. So here we can see the complete blank template we can see here and we can use this for making our own flow chart. So here you are going to see the option that is related to the AI and here the AI is going to help us in creating the flow chart. So once I'll click over here, you can see AI chat and I'm going to click here on the AI chat. So here you can see the chat right now has been open. So here we can see that we can simply upload a file also. You will get the option here for uploading a file as well as for the image. So here we can upload a file and here we can upload the picture also. So let's just first upload the PDF here. So let me just click on upload file. So here you can see I have already uploaded my PDF here, and here there is the option for AI chat and a drop down. Once I'll click on this drop down, you will get various options. So here I would like to create a timeline also for this particular project. So here you can see the option for a timeline. I'll select that and I'll write here, convert this PDF into a flow diagram. So let's see what kind of results we are getting here. And simply this AI will help me to create a complete and a perfect flow diagram for my PDF. And here it's the amazing result we are getting. So here there are various options. If I'll just click on the flow chart, you can make the flow chart also by using the template. So here you can see there are various templates. Here we can see there are templates for audit, mathematics algorithm, issues resolution, payment processing workflow. So let's suppose if I have to use this template, that is for the payment processing template. So here the file is opening. We have to wait for a while. So here let's suppose I have to edit certain things. Instead of writing purchased order received, I have to modify this and I have to write only order received. So what I'll do is I'll just simply click on this, and instead of purchase order received, I have to write order received. So simply I can edit whatever be the text I would like to edit here. Let's suppose if I have to add certain shapes also, then also from here I can select various type of shapes and start putting the shapes by just dragging it into the flow chart. So it's a very simple process that you can add various shapes over here and make your flow diagram customized as per according to your need. There is one more important and one very interesting feature that has been provided here, that here you can see the feature for the auto formatting. So let me just click over here and select the auto formatting. So here you can see there are various themes. That themes are related to the business point of view as well as the technical point of view, modern and minimalist. So let's suppose whenever I have to click on anything, like right now I would like to select technical 2. So here you can see the color has already started being changing. If you would like to add certain background also, then also you can select various types of beautiful built-in themes that has been already provided by the eDrawMax. So by using all these things, you can make your diagram more interesting, more colorful and more vivid, so that whenever you will present such kind of interesting diagrams to your office presentation, then things will create an impact. So that is about the AI diagrams that you can create here. So we have seen a lot about the flow chart. Now let's just talk about this organizational chart, because many times in the corporate you have to create various organizational related charts. So here there are various templates also that has been provided. You can create a family tree. You can create an organizational chart for the sales purpose, for the enterprise, for the company structure diagram. So there are various templates that has been already provided here. So let us create a flow chart for the general manager office organizational team. So let me just create and use this template. Once after opening and creating this template, this page has been open for you. And here you can see that this chart has already been created for you. And here you can see that logistics as well as driver, new specialty, customer service department, store, acceptance, all the things has been already properly mentioned here. If you would like to just edit certain things, or you would like to change the color of a particular block also, then you can also fill the color and select the color as per your requirement. So let's suppose I have to make this color in a blue. So I'll select this here from a blue. Let's suppose I have to write here invoicing department and I have to make this with a red color. So I can select the colors as per my need. Everything is being provided over here. If you would like to change the text style also, that you can do as well. And if you would like to write it in the italics also, then here you can see the small changes that has already been started happening over here. So every kind of template is being provided here. This is something that is related to the organizational chart. So now let's just explore another very exciting feature, that is the dashboard. So especially for the profiles like a business analyst, data analyst, data scientist or the project manager, many times we have to make the reports of the company like sales report, financial reports, etc. So let's just explore this interesting feature of the dashboard. Here you can see there are various templates that has been already provided to us. all these feature templates you can see here: unemployment rate, city competitiveness, company finance report, as well as concerns when traveling. So various kinds of dashboard has been already provided. Let's just explore one very interesting dashboard, that is the company finance report. So let's just try to create a dashboard out of it. And here you can see that the complete dashboard has been provided to us. So the company finance report has been provided. It's a sales as per the last year, net sales, offline sales, and here you can see various kind of graphs also. So all these graphs are very important for the company point of view. If you will try to make this graph in the PowerPoint presentation, then it will take a lot of time for you. Here you can simply see that in the infographic charts, there are lots of types of more shapes and diagrams which are already here. So here when you will click on this particular link, you can find that there are interesting texts also. Here you can see various type of line charts, bar graphs. So various type of graphs has been already provided here. Pie chart, bar chart, line chart. So there are various things that has been already provided. Scatter plot, candlestick chart, radar chart, box plot, heat map, relational graph. So all those things that is important for a data analyst or a business analyst to create such kind of dashboards, that has been already provided by the eDrawMax. So this feature is something that is going to create a massive change if you are doing data analysis related work. So you must have to explore this kind of feature. So let's suppose you are a civil engineer or an architect and you have to create various floor plans for various things. So by using eDrawMax floor plan feature, you can easily create various kind of floor plans. Like here you can already seen over here, there is a floor plan for the restaurant seat plan, theater seat plan, garden design, elevation, office layout. So let's just try to use one layout here, that is the office layout. So once we'll open this, it will seem like this. Like here we can see that the complete office plan has been already designed over here. So now you don't need to do any efforts, right? Everything has been already provided here, and you can do various kind of, here you can see doors and windows. So various kind of shapes has been already provided here. You can simply drag this and start using on your floor plans. So it is very easy whether you are an architect or a civil engineer to explore all these interesting features related to the floor plans, and it will definitely help you in many things related to your work. And many times we have to add certain infographics also. So here you can see that there is an option for the more. Once I'll click on this option, you can just scroll it down and you can see various options that is related to the graphic design, infographic, UI, UX. So let's just first explore about the infographic. So let me just click it here and infographic has been opened. So you can see that the infographic has been designed for the various domains, like for the architecture, for the business, for the education purpose. And here there are other things also: environment, food, medical, and you can just see various types of infographics has been provided: music, news, technology. So this kind of infographics has already been provided. So as per according to your genre, you can select various infographics here. Tourism has been already provided here. So let's suppose I have to create an infographic that is related to the medical. So here you can see that the complete medical related infographic has been already displayed here. So let's suppose if I have to change the title here. So I'll write here medical info, right? And here you can see that I can simply edit, modify the changes as per my need. So all this kind of various interesting infographics, whether you're a student from a medical, engineering, arts or a commerce domain, you can easily use this kind of infographics for your work purpose. And the one important feature that has been already provided by eDrawMax is that you can export also. So let's suppose I have to use this image in a PPT or in a PDF format or in an image format. You can simply do that by using this export feature. So here you can see that you can export the same infographic in a format of an image, PDF, Word file, Excel file, PowerPoint, SVG, HTML and Visio. So it's a complete one-stop platform where you can use all these features and export your work as well. There is one more very interesting option that you can share also your work. So when you click on the share option, you can just share the link of your work and people can start accessing your work. So you can send the invite and by using email, and anyone can see your work over here. The utility of this particular eDraw Max is not only just limited to create the diagrams, but you can also create the QR codes out of it. So it's a one-stop solution where everything has been provided to you and you can explore various kind of diagrams as per according to your need. Let's suppose you are a software developer and you have to create certain system designs and architects. So you can simply use the option here. You can go into the more option and you can just click on here and you can see that there is an option for the software development. And here you can see there are various templates related to library UML diagram and various kind of diagrams has been already provided for the software developers. So this is a platform where if you are a software developer, a teacher, a HR executive, marketing professional, or even you are coming from any domain, you can find the tools as per your need and you can start accessing it for your work. This eDraw Max, world's best AI diagramming tool, is not only just for the professionals, but it is also very helpful for the school students. Let me show you how. So here you can click just on the option for the more, and here you will get one more very interesting feature here, that is science and education. So here you can select science and education. And you can see there are lots of templates like for the process of photosynthesis, chemistry equation, biological diagrams like orals and lungs, earth structure, geography. So lots of things related to the science and tech. So here you can see that the infographic related to the photosynthesis process has already been created here. So it's really a very interesting and a wonderful tool for the school students as well. eDraw Max is really an amazing AI-powered diagramming tool for all your needs. So don't forget to share this amazing tool with your friends and family. Looking forward to meet you in another exciting video. Stay curious and keep learning.